Question 10, parameters and statistics. Okay, are they both used to make inferences about X bar or your sample mean? Well, no, you wouldn't want to, you're not trying to make inferences about a sample mean. You're trying to make inferences about a population mean or a population proportion. So, and you also wouldn't use a parameter, which is related to a population. You wouldn't use something about the population to represent or make a informed decision about the sample. That's actually the other way around. Use the sample to make inferences about the population. Okay, well, does it describe the population and the sample respectively? Yes, parameters describe the population while statistics describe the sample. So parameters are just numbers about the population, and statistics with an S are numbers that describe the sample. Okay, so it's got to be that one right there. Describe the sample and the population. No, that's actually backwards. Describe the same group of individuals. No, they're completely different. A sample is very small in regards to the population. Okay, so it's not the same group of individuals. So it has to be B. Parameters describe the population, while statistics with an S describes the sample.